Hello to Polio 24. This is the new Seagull Ocean Star Pro Diver Watch. So it comes with a nice Seagull watch box, also included with the Seagull shopping bag. So we will see what's inside. So first, here is the Seagull manual and certificate. And then here is the watch. So this is the 44 millimeter diameter stainless steel case. It's a massive stainless steel case with stainless steel metal strap. And this is the green version. We have it in green, black and blue with a smooth turning bezel, sapphire crystal and decorated watch bag. The crown is certainly screwed and you have a hacking second. So if you pull it, the watch will stop. Then we have a date quick set. And so you can certainly set the time and just screw it back tightly. It is 300-meter waterproof. So this is a real diving watch with luminous indexes and luminous hands. And this is the green version. This is the blue. Very nice deep blue dial. And then this is the black. The automatic caliber has 28,800 half rotations per hour. And the caliber has 28 joules. We have this watch on special sale at the moment. And it is a nice opportunity to get a robust and a high quality diving watch at Polio 24.